Hi dear CA final students, I want to share a fact with you. This May 24 indirect tax exam was so intense and that requires a rigorous preparation. Across the country, many students have faced difficulty in appearing for this exam, and out of the exam hall, they did not come with happy face. However, our students who appear for May 24 exam were so happy after writing their exam. You know what is the sole reason for that? It is their commendable effort wherein they have attended the regular batch and they have prepared a lot. So keeping in mind that requirement of rigorous preparation, so I am coming out with the new regular batch for November 24 exam. By enrolling for this regular batch, you will be getting 5 books, 3 volumes of resource book that contains the bare act, analysis, charts and summary provisions at the end of each and every chapter. And thereafter you will be getting one solve workbook. That solve workbook contains innumerable questions from ICA study material, MTP, RTP and various other sources which I have made. And the added feature is that this solve workbook will have QR codes. So when you are practicing, so if you don't know how to approach to that question, by scanning the QR code, you will get a video explanation related to the approach to that question. And the 5th book is Inquest, which is a MCQ book. So that has around 1000 plus MCQs plus case scenario MCQs, which will be tested at CA final exam. And secondly, so we are going to come out with the self-evaluated test series for all the students who are going to appear for November 24. What is the self-evaluated test series? So we will be providing the revision and thereafter the question paper and the suggested answer with the explanation video as to how many marks you will be getting if you are writing what about the steps. So based on that, you can evaluate yourself as to how many marks you will be getting. And thirdly, you will be also provided with the rocket revision. So that will be 1 month prior to the exam. So that contains a quick revision of all the concepts along with some concept illustrations. And thereafter, during the lectures, so we are also going to do some live MCQ test. So wherein after completion of each and every chapter, so in the classroom itself, we are going to practice some MCQ tests. So these are the features that you will be getting by attending this regular batch. Are you excited to join this batch? You can. So there are 3 modes that we are offering. Number 1, face-to-face. So that face-to-face classes will happen in Chennai in our premises in Nungambakam. Mode 2, online live. You can sit at your home and you can attend the live classes as and when it is happening. So, and you can get your doubts also clarified parallelly. And third mode is Google Drive. So, wherein you can study at your own pace, and if you have a doubt, you can go backwards and again attend the lecture. So, we are giving you 1.5 views for the Google Drive lecture, plus the doubt clarification will happen in Telegram. And for face-to-face and online live students also, we are providing 40% of the lectures as backup. Okay, how many hours the classes are going to be? 180 plus hours. So because that much effort is really required. So thereafter, what is the effort that you need to do? Nothing. So after attending the classes, you need to just do the revision. So and you need to attend the test series. Beyond that, nothing is required. And it starts from 6th of June and it will be going up to 15th of August, and the timings will be from 6:15 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. Monday to Saturday, and on Sunday 7 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So this is the timing. Save the date. 6th of June the batch is going to start and we will be meeting in the classroom or online live at your home. Take care, bye, and please do share this message to the friends so that it will be helpful for them and they also will get benefit.